Who wants skin that acts up to 10 years younger within 24 hours of starting to use a new skincare range? I do. And that's why I love Nutrimetics Ultra Care Plus Platinum Skincare range. It is really high-end skincare, and I have tried a lot that's out there, very expensive to the cheaper versions, and I can tell you that this absolutely, in my opinion, beats all of the high-end products that I've tried before. I found it fantastic for my sensitive skin. I find it simple to use. It smells divine, just clean and beautiful, and the results in my skin is really amazing. And so there's actually a beautiful collection that's available at the moment with Nutrimetics, which is heavily discounted and works beautifully. If you're into having the best possible skin, anti-age skin, then you would love this too. The first product is actually the Platinum Ultra Care Cleanser, and it's actually a creamy formula, and it's actually an amazing product. You just massage it on with some water on your skin, so you can do it in the shower or just with a little bit of water on your face, and you massage it on and then wash it off thoroughly. But you can actually use this product as a mask as well. So that's how you'd use it as cleanser, wash it on, massage it on with some water and then wash it away. But what you can actually do is then just pop it on a thicker layer on your face and leave it on for a few minutes. It says 3 to 5 on the tube. I would leave it on 10 because I just love the way it feels. And it literally, after I do that, my skin looks firm and lifted, and I can see a visible difference in my skin. So I do that once to twice a week. Sometimes I even do it when I'm in the shower, when I'm doing all the other extra bits that I might want to do, a hair mask and things like that in the shower. I'll just do that at the same time, saving time and effort. But you can sort of pop it on and massage it on. So it will actually absorb into the skin. You do then just wash it off and then follow with your usual skincare. So as a cleanser, cleanse, rinse away, and then follow with your regular products, or as a mask once to twice a week for a beautiful anti-aging boost to the skin. So it's going to hydrate your skin, it's going to anti-age your skin, and it's going to bring brightness and luminosity to the skin and firm and plump it all in one while cleansing your makeup. So cleansing is not just about removing makeup and things like that from the skin. So even if you've not worn any makeup for the day, it's still really important to cleanse your face morning and night so that you actually get beautiful fresh skin, and then you can use your treatment products that are really going to soak in. So at night you want to cleanse, so then your treatments products can soak in at night. Night times when your skin does a rejuvenation, it does a renewal, and it actually does this little anti-aging process overnight, detoxes, and then in the morning you want to wash all that off the surface of the skin that's been pushed out to the surface of the skin, any of the toxins and things, and wash the face, and then have a fresh beautiful face ready for the day. So that's why we need to cleanse day and night. So cleanse, wash away, and then you're ready to go with your next product. So love the Platinum Skincare Cleanser. So the second product you use is actually one of my favorite products in the whole range, and this is the Ultra Care Skin Rejuvenation Toning Essence. And this is amazing. So a toner, often you would think of a toner as a product that you'll put on a cotton pad, wipe all over the face and sort of wipe away. But this is actually a toner and like an essence, like a serum, all in the one. And so it's just beautiful. Now, when you do get this product, make sure you remove the silver lid first, and then you'll have a dropper underneath. Otherwise, you won't know what to do with it. So just pinch the dropper, and it comes up with the little bit on there. So you only need 2 to 3 drops on your face, or if you're like me, you have a whole squirt because you just love it way too much. But I would use 2 to 3 drops on your face and then on your décolletage area. And I don't know if you can see that, but it actually has a luminous, shimmery look to the product. And that's actually pearl extract, natural pearl extract, which is actually in the product. It helps illuminate the skin. And this product actually has probiotics in it, which I thought was very unusual, but it actually helps with the skin cell health, and also products that help to firm and revitalize the skin. So you're evening the skin, making it look bright, firmed, healthy, and helping that cellular repair as you're using the toning essence. So you just massage it all over. It has a beautiful, natural, clean fragrance in it. It has a product in there that's anti-aging, 100% natural, and it really does give that firm, lifted feel as you actually putting it on your skin, and then works to obviously do that morning and night. And so it's beautiful, absorbs in, and then you're ready to go. So the next product you would use is the Ultra Care Platinum Tight, Firm and Feel Face Serum. And this is fabulous. So 1 to 2 pumps on your whole face. And this actually firms and lifts and works on evening skin tone all in one. It has encapsulated resveratrol in there, which is actually an antioxidant found in grapes, or in red wine actually. And so it actually helps to firm and rejuvenate the skin cells. It will make the skin look plumper, and actually within 30 minutes your skin will look plumper and firmer and more lifted. So it helps to make your skin look more lifted for the day, but also it works to help the skin's cells to plump and firm and anti-age every time you wear it as well. And it's beautiful, it absorbs straight in, it's not sticky or heavy, and it's really going to work into the deeper layers of the skin to actually rejuvenate from the inside out. And so it's a very powerful anti-aging product. So that's not your moisturizer as such, that's actually your anti-aging treatment to really get the best out of your skin. The next product I like to apply is the Platinum Ultra Care Advanced Eye and Lip Treatment. And this is impressive. So the eyes and the lips are the spots that we actually find that we actually usually see the first signs of aging, because we have finer, thinner skin around that area. And so this is really easy, and it's got a cool tip on the end of here, and you actually just apply it just very gently up above. I like to put it all over my forehead, and I like to put it around my eye area as well. And so it does come out quickly when you first use it. So I say just tip it when you first use it, don't squeeze. And it's very light. So if you don't like anything heavy or sticky, but you want something firm and that's going to firm and help with any eye wrinkles and plump the skin and any wrinkles around the lips, then you would love this product. So it's perfect for under makeup, and you just pat it all on over here, and it really works to target that finer, thinner skin that needs the delicate anti-aging treatment. I have super sensitive eyes, and I find this works really beautifully for me, and I'm finding my skin felt really lifted and rejuvenated. Even after the first time of using it, I felt a difference in my skin, which was really impressive. My other favourite thing about this product is not only does it work to permanently erase and firm and work on lines around the eye area, it also works within 5 minutes to actually reduce the appearance of the line for the day. So it's like your instant lift and your instant filler for the day, but then it will also work to actually repair and regenerate that area to make less lines for the future as well. And then finally, the Ultra Care Platinum DNA Cellular Age Repair Cream. This is so impressive. It actually works down to the DNA level of the cells to actually teach the cells to rejuvenate and repair themselves. And so it actually has immortal peptide in there, which is what the ancient Greeks used to use to keep themselves anti-aged back in the day. And this is a refined version of it. It's very light, it's very thin, and it works for all skin types. So I am sometimes surprised by that, but I've had people using that who have dry skin and they love it, and then people with oily skin and they love it. It doesn't leave any heaviness on the skin, but it hydrates and firms and plumps the skin, and it actually works within 24 hours. Your skin will act up to 10 years younger when using this product. It's actually a product you can use in the morning and at night. So it's the same product morning and night, and it really boosts up the skin. It plumps. It's very high-end, impressive product. There's a lot of product in there, and so it lasts a really long time as well, because don't know about you, but I always tend to run out of my moisturizer quicker than anything. But I find this really, really lasts as well. And so these steps take me 1.5 minutes from start to finish, but it is really high end and will keep my skin looking plump and firm and amazing for a long time. So not only clean and clear, even skin tone with pigmentation and things like that, reducing that, but also keeping the skin really plump and firm for the future. So cleanser, toner, serum, eye cream, whoops, and the day and night cream, which is the DNA cellular repair cream. So this system at the moment is on special, and it's amazing special and significant saving. And you actually get all 5 of those products for just $2.80, and then you also receive a free Platinum Ultra Care hand therapy cream. If you are worried about aging hands, dry hands, you get age spots on your hands or anything like that, this is actually a hand cream which will actually rejuvenate your hands like the skincare is going to do to your face. And that's, your hands are actually also one of the other spots that you see the first signs of aging, and this really makes a big difference to your hands. My hubby is a landscaper. He has rough hands, and he's been using this product and his hands have dramatically changed since using that. So I love to pop that on morning and night, and it's a free gift with purchase just until the 30th of November with the beautiful Platinum skincare range. And so make sure you either contact your Nutrimetics consultant prior to then, or you can contact me or order on my website with the link below, and you can actually get yourself this beautiful treatment. Not only is it amazing and I personally recommend it, you also have a 60-day satisfaction guarantee with Nutrimetics. So if you get the products and for some reason you're not getting the results you want, or it's not quite right for you, you will actually, you can swap, change, do whatever you need to make sure you're completely satisfied with your products. But I know that every single person that has been using this range, transition from either skincare, has been so wow. They absolutely love it and loving every part of it, and that's me included. And so I encourage you to try it. If you feel like, oh, maybe my skin needs a change, maybe it could be a little better than it is right now, then I would encourage you to try this. It works for all ages and skin types, as I said before, and I think you would find a really big benefit. So make sure you check out the link below.